My name is Elliot Frayne. I'm a work comp attorney here in Minnesota. This video is going to help walk you through a 239 request form. If you're watching this, you're like me and you like to do things yourself. I obviously recommend that you get an attorney anytime that you feel the need to file a 239 request. These documents are super important and complicated, and you want to make sure that you do it right. Otherwise, your work comp benefits could be delayed. So, if you are looking at filing a 239 request, that means that you have received a notice of intention to discontinue benefits from your work comp insurance company. This document is often referred to as a NOID, NOID. So, you're going to want to make sure that you have a copy of the NOID in front of you because that is going to be used to prepare the 239 request. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the 239 request document. This is the form that's given by the Office of Administrative Hearings, the document that they want you to fill out. You can Google the Office of Administrative Hearings and then go to their Forms tab, and then there's a list of documents, and 239 request is at the top of the list. I'll also include it in the a link to it in the description below. So as you can see here, this is the 239 request. Fill in your WID here, the notice of intention to discontinue, or sorry, the worker identification number, your date of injury, your name, your employer's name, and insurer. You will likely not be e-filing this. You'll be filing it by mail, so you'll want to complete, this information here, and then go on to the date that the NOID was served on you, the date of injury for which benefits are being discontinued here, and then indicate which box is checked on the NOID, 1, 2, or 3. And then if it's 1 or 2, state the date that you return to work. If it's box 3, just copy and paste the reason from the box 3 NOID. Give the claims adjuster name, phone number, claim number, and then whether or not you plan to attend. As you can see here, I have already included all my information since I'm usually the one that's filling these out for my clients. But you should add your name here, your phone number, your email, your mailing address, and then you can sign here. Okay. And then on page 3, this has the instructions for how to do it via e-filing or where to mail the document. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to make sure that you complete all this information, do it right, and do it on time. The deadlines on this are not short, or are short. They're not very long. And so you want to make sure that once you get that NOID that you are filing this thing right away, because it's like we're talking a matter of days. So yeah, feel free to reach out. Work comp attorneys in Minnesota, we work on a contingency fee. We do not charge unless we've recovered benefits for you. I'm happy to consult. I'm happy to give you advice on how to do this. I'm happy to look it over, even if you don't want to hire me. But yeah, good luck.